The iPad Mini 7 just landed, but the tech world is already looking at the horizon because something massive is brewing in Cupertino. We are talking about the iPad Mini 8. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it too early? Not even close. If you've been following Apple's trajectory, you know the Pro transition for the Mini is the only logical step left. This isn't just a tablet update, it's the potential birth of the ultra-mobile powerhouse we've been dreaming of for a decade. Imagine the power of an M3 or even an M4 chip tucked into something you can hold with one hand. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We're diving deep today into every leak, every supply chain whisper, and the cold, hard logic of why the iPad Mini 8 might just be the most important device Apple releases in the next 2 years. 4 years, the Mini was the forgotten middle child. It sat there, nestled between the giant iPhones and the massive iPad Pros, wondering where it fit in. But then, the redesign happened, and suddenly, the world remembered why the small form factor is king. Portability is the ultimate luxury. But even with the Mini 7, there were complaints. There were things left on the table. Apple is notorious for holding back features just so they can blow our minds with the next iteration. And with the Mini 8, the gloves are coming off. We are looking at a complete overhaul of the display technology, a leap in processing power that rivals high-end laptops, and a battery efficiency game that could change how we travel. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, the display. The iPad Mini has always suffered from being just okay in the screen department compared to its Pro siblings. But the rumors for the Mini 8 are pointing toward a massive shift. We are talking about the potential for OLED. Now, if you've used an iPhone 15 or 16, or the latest iPad Pro, you know that once you go OLED, you can never go back. The blacks are infinite, the colors pop with a vibrancy that LCD simply cannot match, and the power efficiency is on another level. This isn't just about making movies look better, it's about the entire user experience. Imagine reading a comic or a digital book on a screen that looks like printed ink. Imagine editing photos where the color accuracy is professional grade, right in the palm of your hand. And then there's promotion. This has been the #1 request from the Mini community for years. 120 Hz. The fluidity of scrolling, the responsiveness of the Apple Pencil, it changes everything. Why hasn't Apple done it yet? Because they need a reason for you to upgrade to the 8. By bringing promotion to the Mini 8, Apple effectively kills the jelly scrolling debate forever and turns this small tablet into a gaming beast. Think about it. Playing high frame rate titles like Genshin Impact or Resident Evil Village on a device this size, with that level of smoothness? That's a game changer. But a screen is only as good as the brain behind it. Under the hood, the iPad Mini 8 is expected to skip a generation. We are looking at the M-series silicon making its permanent home here. While the Mini 7 flirted with high-end A-series chips, the Mini 8 is where the Pro moniker likely becomes a reality. Whether it's an M3 or the cutting-edge M4, the thermal management Apple has developed recently means they can finally cram that much power into a small chassis without it turning into a hand warmer. We're talking about desktop-class multitasking. Imagine running Final Cut Pro or Logic Pro on a device you can slide into a jacket pocket. It sounds like science fiction, but this is exactly where the silicon is heading. Why